Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bob's DIY. Today we're going to be doing something as simple as just changing out an air filter, which may not seem like a complicated endeavor, and it's really not. But there are some steps and some key features that I'd like to point out to you along the way. First and foremost, make sure that you're subscribing and checking the bell, but more importantly, make sure you're on a stable ladder. And when you're on the ladder, make sure that you're not getting lightheaded or dizzy, because just being a little bit taller, people can get lightheaded and it's a long way down. I don't want to see you do that. The grill cover, and we'll pull down the old filter. Now, one of the things that I like to do is I like to put the date that I installed the filter on. And yes, I know this is upside down. I know this is backwards, but that's okay. Demonstration purposes. So put the date on it so that you know when to change the filters. I typically will do mine about every 3 months. So as you can tell, it's June. This is from February. I'm late. Another thing I want to point out is the filters have airflow directions. That's what these little arrows are right here. The air should only flow one way through the filter, the direction of the arrow. So we're done with the old one. Before I install the new one, I want to take a small shop vac and I want to clean all the dust and debris out so that it doesn't get all sucked up inside. So the new filter, I've already put the date on it. And again, yes, I know it is backwards. But I want to point out the airflow arrow. The airflow should go this way. Now, one of the little tips is that sometimes these frame boxes are just a little bit bigger than the size of the filter going in. And consequently, the filter will drop back out. So if you turn the air conditioner or the furnace on and you turn the fan on, it'll suck it up inside and it'll hold it there quite adequately, actually, so that will allow you to close the grill without having the filter come down on your head. Another thing is make sure that each one of these little tabs locks into its appropriate holder. Very important, because they could vibrate out and then this would swing down and open and potentially hit somebody. We don't want that. So we will take them one at a time and we will lock them in. We'll give a little tug test, make sure that it's up there nice and secure, and that's it. You can put it on your calendar for a 3 months reminder, or you can just, as you're walking by, I usually look up just to kind of remind myself of when I installed and when I'm going to do my next install. I try and buy my filters by bulk. You can get them in a 2-pack, 3-pack, multi-pack. Catch them on sale. They do come in different sizes. This was a 20 by 30. They come in all different sizes, and they all come in different grades. So we'll have that for another video for later. But for now, that's it. My name is Bob from Bob's DIY. Thank you.